Welcome everybody. This is a special episode for Ansible Pilot community. I'm here to announce that we have a celebration. Actually, it's the first year of the community. So we spend more than 365 days together. Yes, we did. And we shared a lot of stories, a lot of adventure, a lot of code, a lot of feedback. And I heard you all. It's quite incredible for me. It started from scratch, this project, just one video sharing some code with some friends. That was the idea. And the project became bigger and bigger, and it turned out to be one of the most successful adventures of Ansible on the internet. So basically now it's a community, and I started attending some worldwide event talking about Ansible. I started working directly with Ansible engineering team. I started also talking with colleagues, talking with people around the globe. Sometimes you are sending some email to me from the other part of the globe. I start having some video call with people in India, with people in US, and we talk the same language, the language of the technology, the language of automation. Especially in this post-pandemic world where the uncertainty is the norm, I think that innovation and automation will be very, very important for your business and your career as well. So having Ansible as a skill set is very important for you, basically, because you are saving time during your day-to-day activity, but also in the business. So it's very important to have the right skill set. Every day you saw me trying to automate new things in Linux, in the file system, in the users, and same things also in Windows, on services, on a lot of interesting ideas, as well also working with other technology, other brands, for example VMware, some network appliance, what else? Oh, Kubernetes and Postgres. A lot of things are ongoing at the moment, and for sure I have a lot of exciting news for you that I'm working on. I don't want to spoil anything, but keep tuned. Subscribe to the newsletter, subscribe to the channel, of course. This is mandatory. These are the first place where to hear when everything pop up. Let me remind you that it's not only a YouTube channel, there is also a website that is quite successful. I just received the latest report from Google, 50,000 views per month. This is insane. And what else? Oh, for sure. So we have a YouTube channel, website. There is also a book, a video course, and I'm working on other interesting things. So stay tuned. After 1 year, I have a lot of interesting things for you. Also, the Ansible project is evolving. Now there is a new release of Ansible Core upcoming, the 2.14, and a lot of interesting things that I saw on the latest Bullhorn newsletter. So guys, definitely enjoy the summer. I'm going to take a short break just to chill out a little bit and working on some other ideas, and I'm going to return as soon as possible with the new interesting things. So don't worry if the channel will not pop up with a new video in the upcoming weeks, but I'm working on that because I would like to create a new exciting material that will boom your expectation. So guys, thank you so much for your love. Keep going, send me your feedback. I'm trying to reply as much as possible. I receive all your email, all your comments, everything. I'm reading all of that, as well also watching some statistics, some metrics about how much time you spent on the video, try to understand what you like more. But please share what is your idea, and your next idea could become the next video. So guys, thank you so much for all your love. Keep going. This will be an exciting journey together. Thank you so much, and I would like to give you a big hug and a great enjoy your summertime in this wonderful 2022. Yay! Ciao!